Hey guys, Ian from Tentworld in Toowoomba here to talk to you about the companion personal first aid kit. So this little handy kit is probably one of the best things that you need to take on a hiking trip and or just a day trip to the beach. So it comes with 71 pieces of equipment, basically all the bare basics of everything that you may need. So you've got a couple of alcohol preparation pads, scissors, notepad, pencil, everything like that. You've also got first aid instructions, basically the best things to do in certain situations. So all the companion first aid kits will actually come with that information. Certainly good to have. With the actual unit itself, it's 18 centimeters by 10.5 tall. Once it's fully packed, as you can see there, the instructions will actually go back inside that, and it's in a neat little pack away case. So you can actually put it in your glove box, put it in the middle console of your car, and or in your day pack. So if you have any questions about the personal first aid kit or any of the other first aid kits that we have, definitely come in store, give us a call, because this is one of those things that you should definitely have with you every time you go anywhere. Thank you.